Game! Second game of the night. PNP Silay versus Save More sa Lisay. Mayang gabi da sa tanan. PNP Silay versus Save More sa Lisay. Ba't natin nakampos na ng mga pitikaron?
Ay, gaso. Ay, gaso.
Kanugon ka zoom lens na nga hindi ta mag-zoom.
Buron, gano'n buron.
Hindi ka, ano mo, nagpapakail. Ay, autofocus kayo yung aso kasabad. Sa PNP sarap yan. First five kita. Good evening. Real Mo Kalalas. Good evening. First five tayo. Ito yung taga players ka. Ano ay? PNP sila ay? Crucial game pa naman. Battle for fourth spot. Para sa bracket A. Bracket B gali. Sorry. Gagawin na buyan ko pa. Out of bounds. Liwat, liwat. Jump ball again. O, isa katumbo. Here, up. Pa-shoutout, Madam Dapusoy God Meros in the house. Halin kay John Mark. Pusoy God, dija. Basket. 4. PNP Silay.
Basket, 2 points. 9 minutes and 28. Montalvo. Very good. Rebound by Villa Florida.
Pa-shout out kay Boss Val, number 16. Ay, doko na sa. From November last year show, Boss Val. Number 16.
Montalvo penetrates. No good.
Short. Nice save.
Rebound by Save More.
Save man gito. Up. Up. Ball
PNP
for
Silay.
PNP Silay.
8 minutes and 45. Shot
For
clock
3.
15. For 3
Basket.
points. Number 6, Peroxo.
5-0 para sa PNP Silay.
8 minutes
5-0.
and 27. Diaz, number 16, for 3.
Basket.
3 points.
5-3 in favor of PNP Silay. Salamat na tamay lang sa kalam. One time B from John Mark. Shout out
Third,
tamay lang.
number 21. Nice pass. No good. Wing.
Basket.
Counted.
21, number 21 basket.
7 minutes and 55.
7-3 a score. Good eve, madam. Pa-shout out sa SBC Silay Basketball Club from Bragart sa Kalam,
Diaz,
Renel
number 16,
Arazo.
penetrates. No good.
Rebound.
By
Oy, duwa ka ba? Gagawa na duwa.
number 6, Peroso. Pass to number
Nice
45.
pass.
Basket.
Basket.
7 minutes and 29.
9-3 a score. Force. PNP Silay.
Montalvo reading the ball, give to Diaz, number 16. Diaz. Shot clock 12.
Short.
No good. PNP sila ball. 7 minutes and 12.
Tama na mainom ka.
21, give it to Villa Florida. Villa Florida dribbling penetrates. Good. No
Short.
good.
Ball
Diaz.
for
Running.
Save More, and there's a ball.
Number 21. 6 minutes and 51.
So, sa auto, sa ito nga, Trek, so, para tagawag to yun, second up. Para sa auto naman. Sa auto, ganun sa
Use
ginalaran.
number 16, Montalvo. Number 8, Dr. Montalvo. Montalvo penetrates. Steal by PNP Silay. Sir Chica number 21, layup is good. Basket.
No, ang galing yan.
6 minutes and 32.
Oh.
Diaz number 16, dribbling. Give it to
Sino
number
avance 11-3 para sa PNP Silay, John Ray Alvarez.
2 points.
Baskets 11-5 for PNP Silay, 11-5.
6 minutes and 15.
6:15 remaining.
And pass for Sir Chica. Steal by Seymour. Number 22 running. Layup no good. Rebound PNP Silay. Number
Gakalaan.
45, dribbling. Pass to number 8. Number 8, shoot.
Short.
Knockdown. Rebound by. Good. Number 22.
Shout
Steal
out,
by Seymour.
Ron and Playo, Camelista, shout out.
Number 17,
Of Super Metro
Layup
Talisay.
is good. 3
Basket
points.
7-11 na score, 7-11 for PNP Silay.
5 minutes.
7-11. Open 24 hours. Ay, hindi nagali.
Sir Chica, dribbling. Steal by Seymour.
Uy!
Pass to number 8, Lumayo. Give it number 9, Montalvo. Layup is
Basket.
good. 2 points.
Uy, 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 uy.
PNP Silay.
Uy ba? Ay, mani first quarter pa lang ba?
In the Florida.
Ay!
The black. And there's
Traveling.
5 minutes and 10.
5:10 remaining on the first quarter. 11-9. Na score, 11-9. Matsalamat
He is
dyan.
number 16. Guarded by shot clock 15. Number 22. Montalvo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Counted.
Kapakalaan, nugid sa'yo bala. Basket, Wallace, 11.
Number
Wallace,
45.
11, score.
Pass to 21. Billy Floyd. There's a foul. And
Basket.
counted.
11-13
4
para sa
minutes and
PNP.
36. Bonus free throw for Villa Florida.
Basket,
Time out. Seymour.
14-11 ang score para sa PNP Silay. Ano na? Abot yan na. Abot yan na. Abot yan.
Remaining time for the first quarter, 4 minutes and 36. Score 14-11 in favor of PNP Silay.
Para sa PNP Silay. Ball for
Diaz
Save
on the
More
move.
Talisay.
Into Montalvo. Number 8. Romino. Back to Montalvo. To Diaz. Diaz. Back to Montalvo. Montalvo. Shot clock 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good, good.
21. Villa Florida to Sir La Chica layup. Easy
Basket.
basket. 2 points.
16-11. 16-11 para sa PNP Silay.
Montalvo. Shot clock 15.
Nice block.
Rebound. PNP Silay. Villa Florida. Number 21 guarded by number 8. Lumino. Shot clock 15.
Uy.
Nice pass.
And there's a foul.
Basket.
18-11 na ang score
3
for
minutes and
PNP Silay.
28. Bonus free throw for number 8. Peroso. A second personal foul for Lumino, number 8.
Tapos na yung
Sabad din Salvador ah.
Basket.
Basket 3-point play for number 6.
3 minutes and 25.
19-11 score for PNP Silay. 19-11.
Abile.
Abale.
Basket. 2 points.
Nice
3 minutes
move
and
for
10
Abale.
seconds.
13-19 score. 13-19.
For the Chica to Villa Florida, number 21. Guarded by number 23. Shot clock 10. 9. 8. Foul basket. 2 points. 2 minutes and 52 seconds.
Number 8.
On a free throw for number 8.
Mexico. Pasabad si Salvador. Ara ka gida pero mo.
Knockdown rebound by Seymour. PNP, sorry. Basket, 2 points. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Diaz on the move. Montalvo number 9, give to number 22, number 13 to shoot. Penetrates. No good.
Grabe nga mga black eye. Up.
There's a foul. A foul at number 19. 2 minutes and 29. 14 foul. Two minutes 29. For the Chica. Back. Shot clock 15. Mexica. Block. And
Ball for Seymour to Lisay.
number 22, Salvador Benedicto. Kevin Diaz.
Uy.
Shot clock 13.
Basket.
Count it.
23-15.
1 minute and 52 seconds.
23-15 score.
Mexica. Number 8, penetrates. Pass to Villa Florida, number 21. No good. Rebound. Save more. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Salvador, number 22. Pass to number 8. There's out of bounds. 1 minute and 34. Shot clock 17.
Pa-shout out kay Boss Juni Arreglado, Vidam number 2. Supporter yagid kanina lang tayo yagid per may imo live
1 minute and 25.
broadcast from John Mark. Number 2 lang. Sinong number 1? From John Mark. Thank you so
Shot
much
clock
for watching.
15. Mexica. Pass to Mexica.
Ay, nice block!
Diaz.
Pa-shout out
Right.
kay Adrian Chupas, sali kay Jasper Villanueva, out of bounds ball for Save More.
Shot clock 18. 1 minute and 1. Time out. One minute and 1.
Himo number ibuang. Pa-shout out liwat kay Adrian Chupas, shout out alin kay Jasper Villanueva.
Back. All game.
Back into the ball game. 23-18 na score. 5 na lang ang abanse sa
1 minute and 1
PNP
second.
sila. 1 minute
Shot clock
remaining.
18.
Madam, pa-shout out kay Sir La Chica from Bragart. Renel Arazo. Sorry.
1 minute. Three.
Lumano for 3. Wala.
Rebound.
Ball for PNP.
No.
Save more.
Steal by
Talisa.
Seymour. Diaz layup.
Boy!
Rebound. Save
Isa
more.
pa,
Number
basket.
44 seconds.
20-23 ang score.
40. Scarlet Chica.
Ay!
Number
Isa pa!
35.
Wala pa gay, wala pa gid sa gihapon. Ah!
30. Basket. 25 seconds.
25-20 ang score.
20.
Pila man ka attempt ba?
15. 10. 9. 8.
Ay!
6.
Rebound! Uy!
5. Foul. Yes. Thank you, ref. They are yes.
Nice rep!
4 seconds.
Ay, dole pa po.
4 seconds.
4 seconds on the shot clock.
3,
2.
2, 1.
Short.
And the first quarter, score 25-20 in favor of PNP Sila.
End of the first quarter, 25-20 and score in favor of PNP Salay. Limaban si Dam, last na lang, pa-shout out kay Master Bitter Ve from John Mark. Do ako pa yung lutsan mo ba? Abi mo, malutsan mo ko.
Second foul.
Sorry.
Ulang isa,
Intoon mo pang manuginto ba?
team captain.
Sorry, wise na lang niya.
Number 45.
Number 45. Siyam lang mo, sir. Siyam lang mo.
Sixteen, 13, 45. Scarlett Johnson, 8.
Second 5. Siyam lang ang players ka PNP Zilay. Tanda gid. Siyempre ako pa ya. Hindi mo ni minto. Ya wise na ni. Sagad na ni sa intuanay.
But Jan number 25, thinking to 3. Number 22. Layup, basket.
27-20 para sa PNP Silay. Ay, doloy. Cute.
Junior number 14, taking 3 points.
Basket for 3. 23-27.
9 minutes and 30. Shot clock 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Wala, rebound.
Rebound,
Say more.
Scarlett Johnson, number 8. Give it to Roma, number 2. Foul, basket.
Para si Roma.
Nine minutes and 5.
Scarlett, gid man ang iya apelido. No, Scarlett Johansson. Kabus. Pakapoy-kapoy na yan.
9 minutes. Basket. Bajan 3. No good. Rebound. Save more. Scarlett Johnson penetrates. Pass to Roma, number 2. Layup, no good. Rebound by Roma. Roma, fake. No good. Rebound, PNP Sila.
Udagko? Udagko.
It's good. John on the move.
Gawa ba dyan?
Steal,
Hindi
save
mo
more.
da, ano?
Scarlett Johnson, number 8. Give it to Julio, number 14. Easy
Basket!
3 points.
27 all na score. Wallace 27 na.
8 minutes and 15 seconds. White for number 23. Out
Out
of
of bounds.
bounds.
Wallace, 27.
Scarlett. To
Uy!
Roma. Great pass, but no good. Roma rebound. Roma again.
Short!
No good.
There's a foul.
And there's a foul.
Uy, sa may persa.
7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Short ang iya, ang matera, short.
Number 2. Number 45. Back to basket. Number 16. Basket. Steal by St. Moore. Scarlett Johnson flying.
Ay!
Good.
Nasabad kay Rev, kintabunan nga. Ay,
Galopad ka na, no?
7 minutes and 15 seconds.
Rep ata. Ako din.
Basket number 16. To Waiko. Shot clock 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Rebound. Save more. Junio number 14.
Ball for Save Marcelisa.
Junio. Kicking to shoot. Save more.
Ay, wala pa.
Rebound. PNP sila.
Ito tag-aso?
6 minutes and 33 seconds. Waiko. Layup.
There's a foul.
Foul number 4, Montaner. 2 free throws. 6 minutes and 29.
Number 23
First
on the
row.
free throw
Count.
line basket. First attempt. Waiko.
Second attempt.
Wala.
Rebound.
Out of bounds. Ano to nga
PNP Sulago.
nag-pause ng gabi ng repos. Aw.
Waiko.
Ano kamot niya?
45 minutes.
Op! Ano to, Rep?
Duwas na buwan.
Puti. Time out.
Time out. PNP sila.
Puti-tiga ulo.
6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Puti-tiga ulo na lang niya. So, 28-27 para sa PNP Silay. Sungawaw. O, tumaan.
Game na rep.
Rep, liwat be.
Game.
Liwat be.
Six minutes and 18. Save more ball. Scarlett. To Montaner. Montaner. 3. No good.
Out of bounds. Ay! Pambula. 28-27 para sa PNP Silay.
6 minutes. Waiko. Penetrate layup.
Ow!
Is no good.
Wala. Ball for
Save
Seymour Silay. Ay, Talisay, sorry.
5 minutes and 45.
Scarlett Johansson.
Scarlett guarded by
Three.
number 3. No good. Rebound by Seymour. Junio, number 14. Roma. 8. Penetrate. Montaner, number 4. Lakaw. Waiko.
Ay! Nice block. Foul.
Foul.
Pa-shout out kay Laika Dolosa Mana. Shout out kay John Ray Alvarez.
5 minutes 17.
Number 23, Waiko again on the free throw line.
First attempt, no good.
Second attempt, basket. 29-27 para sa PNP Silay. 29-27. Second quarter of the game.
Shot clock 15.
Roma up, traveling.
Traveling. 5 minutes.
Thanks, madam. Welcome, good, welcome, good. Only shout out ball for PNP Silay. 29-27 the score.
Shot clock 15. Number 45. Guarded by 3. Save more. 12. 10.
Ay!
9. Save more steals. Scarlett number 8. Flying.
Ayun.
Yeah. 2 points.
Naguto po. Post pa sa? Ay, na may mapa-shout out. Shout out ako mo, guys.
But John guarded by Scarlett. Scarlett. Steal. Give it to Roma. Layup is good. 2 points. 4 minutes 15. Waiko, number 23. Steal by Save More.
31-29 napansin na ang Save More Kalisay.
No good.
Roma for the
Rebound.
layup. Wala.
Number 25 by John. Number 13.
Basket.
Yeah. 2 points.
Wallace 31 score.
3 minutes and 50.
3:50 remaining second quarter. Wallace 31. There's a foul.
Time out. PNP sila.
Timeout. Wallace 31 ang score.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 40. Back in the ball game.
Wallace 31, 3 minutes and
40.
40 seconds remaining second
Two
quarter of
free
the game.
throws for Roma.
Roma.
First throw, no good. Second throw,
Second attempt, wala sa
no
gihapon.
good. Rebound by PNP sila. Give it to Waiko. Basket 16, dribbling. Bajan number 25. Thinking to shoot. 3.
Short.
No good.
There's a foul. Wala.
Foul number 23.
Offensive foul. 31.
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Montaner.
Tumakairan. To Scarlett, to Roma. Wala. Rebound for Roma. There's a
There's a
foul.
foul. Number 16.
Wallace 31 sa
3
gihapon.
minutes and 10. Pakairan. Pakairan shoot. No.
Ay!
PNP sila ball. 3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining.
Ulumbre number 45. Yes.
Basket.
Basket. 2 minutes and 15. Score to Junio. Junio, 3. No good. Rebound. PNP sila ball. 2 minutes and 14.
33-31 for PNP.
Time out.
Silay.
Save more.
Time out for Seymour Talisay, 33-31 para sa PNP Silay.
2 minutes and 36 seconds.
Shot pa more. Kulang.
Kulang pa. Suluka ka na gabi. Kulang pa.
Sino ba yung hindi? Hindi bang hindi? Tapos sila stress na ako sa dahon.
Back to ball game.
Yapong ko. Api yung anak ko.
Importante, may ginmuha-muha ka kagabi.
2 minutes and 36.
Grupo naman ta. Shout out, Francis. Nga may gamuha-muha siya kagabi. Ball, PNP Silay.
2 minutes and 30. Shot clock 15. Basket for 3.
Basket. That was a long three.
2 minutes and 17.
36-31 for PNP
Correct given to
Silay.
Montaner.
3
3
points.
points.
Rebound for Roma. Basket.
2 points.
36-32.
Michael. Last 2 minutes.
Basket.
Basket.
38-33 for PNP Silay.
1 minute and 15. Montaner. Nakairan, number 15. No good. Rebound. Roma.
Basket.
2 points. 1 minute and 37.
35-38. Tatlo.
1 minute and 30. Number 13, Kenya, no good. Rebound by PNP Silay, no good. Save more. Pumunta na to Scarlett, 1 minute and 14. Scarlett, pumatake, Roma layup is good. 1 minute and 7. Steal by Save more. Makairan,
Steal pa?
penetrate.
Ay! Abansi na ang
58
save more
seconds.
si Talisay. 39-38 and there's a foul.
58
Sir,
seconds.
good evening.
Number 16, third personal foul.
Makairan on the free throw line.
Bonus free throw.
Rebound.
Rebound, PNP
For PNP
Silay.
Silay.
The gun. Steal by Save more.
Up.
There's the foul. Foul number 25. Penalty.
Second.
Second personal foul. 54 seconds.
54 seconds
Two free throws
remaining
for Roma.
on our second quarter. Go.
Second free throw.
Oh.
54 seconds.
Ay, sa persaw? Sa kamot siguro, no?
48. Shot clock 15.
Ay!
Steal by Save more. Hunya number 14 layup is
Basket.
good. 38 seconds. Another steal for Save more. 31 seconds. PNP Silay ball. 30 seconds.
41-38.
Another
Ay!
steal for Save more. 25. Makairan number 15.
There's a
Foul.
foul.
23 seconds. Number 16. Fourth personal foul.
Hala. Fourth personal
23
foul.
seconds.
3 seconds. Basket.
Throw basket.
38-42.
Second free throw from Kairan number 15.
Basket.
23 seconds.
Battle for fourth spot ni.
20.
Number 13,
Basket.
basket.
15.
40-43.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And our second quarter, 40-43 ang score para sa Save More Talisay, 40-43.
And the second quarter score 43-40 in favor of PNP Sila.
Twin Freeman, Save More.
Save more, Talisay.
Bago ko lang ginlawag mo.
43-40 in favor of Save more, Talisay.
Mapasalamat kita sa ating mga sponsors. Thank you so much, Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Cap Remy Roldano, Barangay Balarik,
Save more, Mikula.
Silay Institute, Outsize Bistro, Chick Boys Grill, The Yard, Punong Garis, Gaston Tattoo, Pintok Arts, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chanco of Team Paulo Chanco Organization. Madamo Gid.
Mapili
Nga salamat. 43-40 ang score for
Team
PNP.
Captain.
Ay, for Save More Talisay. Pati ako nasala na lang kayo.
Thank you very much, Sir Bobby Kilatagaan and Coach Sturdy of Punong Garis. Thank you for your time, sir.
Save More, mapili ka mo.
Lima?
Lima.
Lima, guys?
Third fight.
Limagin.
Number 45.
Alam ko na ito.
Sige.
Ito nga.
Ana? Oh, third five.
Third fight.
Ano yung sugat ah? Oo, oh, rin ang sugat ah.
Na-realize ko lang wala pala sa puso.
Hindi lang mag-highway. Nag-highway ka ha? Nago-nago. Ganun.
Face cream na lang pula.
Oro, kasi labol-labol. Chip man na ka traffic. Ayaw ba? Ayaw ang helmet.
Tutlong ko na lang, no?
Okay. Flat ko, flat. 43-40, third quarter. Abante
Third
ang
quarter.
Save More Talisay. For 3, Belenson.
Rebound by PNP Sulay. Sir La Chica number 21. Dribbling the ball. Number
Nice
6,
pass!
Roxas
Basket.
Basket. 2 points.
Uy.
9 minutes and 32. Number 5.
Sabi ko ba, sinasave more?
Basket. 2 points.
Chak ko balik.
43-40.
45-42.
9 minutes and 10. Sir La Chica dribbling. Give it to Mexico, number 8.
Wala, short.
Number 12.
Belenson.
Belenson for 3. No
Bam!
good.
Wala. Isa
Rebound
pa,
by
wala.
Save More.
Rebound.
Another save for number 8. Rebound. Counted.
47-42.
Zach Levine, number 8.
Tanis lang lang, hindi lang red.
Sir La Chica, number 21. Give it to Lumbre, number 45. Pass to Mexico, number 8. Guarded by 2. Save More. Shot clock 10. 9. 8. 7. Yep. Out of bounds. 8 minutes and 22. Artisola. Number 13. number 8, Zach Levine. Steal by PNP.
Hindi siya si Adam. Adam Levine.
Umeka number 8.
Basket! 44-47 ang score for Save Mortalisay sa gihapon.
7 minutes and 54. Artisola number 13. Give it to Belencio. Shot clock 12. 3 points. Basket. Artisola for 3. 7 minutes and 40. Mega number 8. Foul. Foul number 8.
Adam Levine.
Zach Levine.
Isaac Gijay mo.
Mega the free throw line.
Adam
First
Levine.
attempt, no good. 7 minutes and
Adam
33.
Levine. Levine
Second
yung
row.
apelido mo. Number 8. Ito. Si Levine ang apelido yan. Sa
No good.
jersey.
Rebound by
Belenchon.
Belenchon. 7 minutes and 3. Number 7.
Uy.
There's a foul number 8. Mega. First
Ako, number 8
personal
na ka
foul.
Chicago.
7 minutes and 26.
Adam Levine.
Atisola number 13, Garvin number 45. Atisola. Pass to Bass. Steal by PNP. Sir, that chicken number 21, 2 points.
Basket.
7 minutes and 10 seconds.
46-50 ang score. 46.
Hernandez number 7, give it to number 5. Penetrates, no good. Rebound by Levine, no good. Another rebound for St. Moore. Steve.
Ay! Tumba pa.
PNP Silay ball. 6 minutes and 15.
50-46 ang score.
Sir Chicken on the move. Give it to number 45, Lombre. No good. Rebound. Cannon.
Basket.
2 points.
50-48 na ang
6
score.
minutes and 30. Hernandez number
50-48.
7. Give it to Belenchon for 3. No good.
Rebound.
Rebound by PNP Silay. Peroso number 6. Give it to Lombre. Lombre.
Oy! Ay!
Number 7.
No
6
good.
minutes and 12. Hernandez number 7. Give it to Artisola number 13. Steal by PNP Silay. Number 8. 8. And there's the foul. Foul number 12.
50-48 ang score. 50-48.
His first
Dua
personal
bases ang Save Mortalisay.
6 minutes. Mega on the free throw line.
Basket.
Found it.
This is the battle for the fourth spot para sa bracket B.
Second attempt.
Ay, wala. 49-50. 49-50
Hernandez
ang
number
score.
7. Shot clock 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
14 seconds shot clock. Belenchon penetrates. Block. There's the foul. 5 minutes and 10. Mexico second personal foul. First go for Belenchon. Cannon. Second attempt. Counted. 5 minutes and 10. Erosa back to serve the Chica.
52-49 is
Lumbre. To make a number 8 jump shot. No good.
Ay!
Blocked by Valencia.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. Save more. 4 minutes and 15.
52-49 for Save More to Lisa.
Fernandez number 7. What a move. The number 5. Shot clock 15.
3
Number 5.
points.
Torn.
55-49 score.
4 minutes and 30. Altisola, Garland, Lumbre, 45. Good. Shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
55-49.
Number 5. Nice move. Nash Cannon. Rebound by Savemore. Artisola. Libre. No good. Steal by Savemore. Number 5 layup is good. 2 points.
Timeout.
Timeout.
PNP sila. 57-49 na ang score. Nadako na nga ba si Sampi sang Save More to Lisay.
Time 3 minutes and 41 seconds.
3:41 na remaining. Grabe ka pusing ba? Tanda siya.
Hindi mo, no?
Ay, wow. $3:41 remaining sa third quarter. Wala na, may pa shout out. Shout out, kung mabitry niyo mag shout out, guys. 3:41
PNPC live on.
57-49 na nagdako ang abanse sa Save More sa Lisay.
Eroso. Shot clock 15.
Out of bounds.
Shot clock 14. Eroso. Umira. No good.
Rebound.
PNPC line number 45. Lombre. Yes. 3
Basket.
points.
51-56.
3 minutes and 18. Shot clock 15. Steal by PNPC line. Mexico, number 8, layup is good.
Basket.
Basket.
53-57. Apat na lang.
3 minutes.
Go, Save More Talisay, Dam Ara. May shout out na naman. Thank you. Shout out sa number 7 nga lain ang matchag.
3 points.
Sang may basket goal pinag-ayo from Mark
2 minutes
Fernandez.
and 45 seconds.
Shout out.
Mexico.
Thank you, good Joven Borlasio siya. Thank you. Sa pa-shout out.
2 minutes and 39.
Basta mo nang kapaayo ang basket.
14 shots up.
Hindi, oy! Hindi ka na magbakal bulong.
Number 7.
Basket lang ang-
Atake. Pasa kay number 5.
Nice
Sa
block!
pile number 6. It's foul. Not counted.
10 shots.
Shot clock 14. 2 minutes 27.
2 minutes, 27 seconds remaining on our third quarter. To Fernandez, number 7.
No good. Rebound
Oh,
PNP sila.
for PNP Salai.
Eroso. Umatake. Number 6. Out.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. 2 minutes and 15. Shot clock 17. Mexico. Number 13.
Short.
No, rebound. PNP. Eroso number 6. Foul.
Basket.
Basket. 2 points.
55-60 ang score for
2 minutes
Save
and
More
4.
Talisay.
They're also on the free throw line. Basket.
Basket, 3-point play for Pedroso. 60-56. Ang score for Save More,
1
Talisay.
minute and 52.
1:52 remaining, third quarter of the game.
Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7. Rebound, PNP Silay. 1 minute and 40. Lobre. Umehika. Nice
Basket.
2 points. 1 minute and 30.
58-60 na. Score, 58-60. Aywa. 58-60.
Evane Calder.
Basket.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Go for fourth spot sa Immortalizay. Sila lang bawi. Dam kay wala. Gid kami dinagan. Super Metro Talisay 09.
1 minute and 10. Shot clock 12.
Uy. Basket.
1 minute and 2 seconds.
60-62 ang score. 60-62.
55. Shot clock 15. 10, 9. Foul basket.
Foul basket. 64-60.
43 seconds. Zach Levine to the free throw line.
Lavine.
Bonus free throw.
Wala. Rebound for
40 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Nice
Rosso.
foul basket. 62-64. Duwa na lang abanse sa
25 seconds.
Save More Talisay. Ay!
20. Shot clock 14. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3 seconds.
Three,
2,
1. End of our third quarter. I score 64-62.
And the third quarter score 64-62 in favor of Save More Talisay.
64-62 para sa Save More Talisay. End of our third quarter. Last quarter na kita. It's 9:30. Secret. Hindi pwede status lang. Kung mag-status ko daw mo issue, ano ko naman? Hindi pwede pang garo-garo lang na sa Facebook. Hindi nyo pag seryosuwa nga, compose ako ang seryosuwan. 5. Fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter. Last and the final quarter.
Ikaw naman to. Huwag na may mahampang. Why ka na friend? Wala ka friend ah. Loy-loy man. Fourth quarter of the game. 64-62. Duwa na lang ang abanse sa Save More Talisay.
William Florida. Back to Bajatri. No good. Rebound by PNP.
Waiko. Wala
No
short.
good.
Rebound for Bajan. There's a foul. Basket.
No basket.
Ah, wala. Number?
Foul number 28. Shot clock 14.
Uy!
Steal by Seymour Diaz. Roma number 2. Pass to...
Wala ba?
A rebound by Seymour. Basket.
66-62.
11:33. Let's go to Villa, Florida. There's a foul. Foul number 2, Roma. Second personal foul. Shot clock 14. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oy! 3 seconds violation.
11 minutes and 17 seconds.
Oh, wala tawo. Sugat.
Arreglado number 28. Dribbling to Diaz. Back to Diaz number 16. 3.
Short.
Short.
3 short. Aruga!
10 minutes and 55. Foul. Foul number 2, Roma,
Third.
is third personal foul.
Badjan on the free throw line. Basket.
10 minutes and 53. Second attempt.
Basket. 64-66. Para sa Save Mortal Lisay.
Diaz. Roma. Back to Diaz. Shot clock 12. 10. 9.
Lupad.
8. 7. 6. Rebound. PNP. Peroso, number 6 layup is
Ay!
Abale, number 19. Penetrates. Nope. Rebound PNP. To Peroso,
Ano na?
number 6.
Liwat!
Peroso is guarded by Diaz. To Roma. 10 minutes and 10. Roma number 2. Whoop. What a move. 2 points.
68-64. 10 minutes remaining. 10 pa. 68-64 para sa Save Mortal Lisay.
To Peroso number 6. Peroso. Yes. 2 points. 9 minutes and 42.
66-68 ang score. Save Mortal Lisay.
9 minutes and 32. Arreglado. Peroso, rebound. PNP sila.
Ay!
Villa, Florida, number 21. Yes.
Basket! Wallace! 68 na ang score. Wallace, 68.
9 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time.
Galagbaw gid tingog ni Sir Marjon Meka ba? No kay ugta sir. Board Canada. Wallace 68 ang score. Time remaining 9:18 on our fourth quarter. Wallace 68 both teams.
9 minutes. Ay, akin si Wow.
12 sir.
Nine minutes and 18 seconds. Save more Talisay ball.
Ay, ito gali oh. Benechon to Diaz.
Diaz.
Diaz,
Yes.
pinasa,
Tumakairan.
tumakairan.
To
Roma.
Roma.
Fade away, wala.
Pinira, hindi counted. 9 minutes.
Wallace, 68. Ay!
By Save More.
May
Pass to
Belenson.
Diaz. Gadalagan. Nagpass kay Belenson. Wala. Tapal. Rebound. Save More. Makairan.
Foul.
Foul. Foul number 25. Is third personal foul. 8 minutes and 44. Diaz
Diaz
to
sa
Makairan. Makairan, tumira, wala.
Sino to?
Rebound, kaya pala.
68.
PNP Silaibo, 8 minutes and 30.
Wallace, 68 sa giyapon.
Sir La Chica to Badyan. Badyan to Peroso. Villa Florida, pasa.
Nice pass!
Basket.
70-68, abanse na ang PNP
8
Silay.
minutes and 10.
Nami nga pasa ba?
Roma. 8 minutes. Shot clock 12. And 9. 8. Rebound, PNP. 7 minutes, 50. Villa Florida.
Basket.
2 points. 7
72-68.
minutes and 40. Diaz. Shot clock 15. Tumira, Belenson. 3 points. Wala. Rebound Makairan. Foul. 7 minutes and 25.
68-72, abanse na ang PNP Silay. Makairan on the free throw line. First attempt. Wala. Gina-confirm.
Second attempt from Makairan.
Makairan, second attempt. Wala sa giyapon.
Rebound PNP. Villa Florida. Number 21. Pass to Sir La Chica. Pass sa Capiroso. Tumira.
Basket for 3 points.
7 minutes and 10.
75-68 na score.
Tapa.
And steal
Villa
for
Florida.
PNP
Oops,
Silay.
there's the foul. Time out. Save more.
68-75 ang score para sa PNP Silay. Siyam lang
Save
sila
more
mga players.
Talisay. No more time out. PNP.
7 minutes.
2 pa. 7 minutes and 3 seconds.
Diba? Kailangan yung ano? Baka lang.
Kaya kinapogay.
Picture tayo, picture. Hindi pa nag-go dahil.
7 minutes and 3 seconds.
Sino? Sir La Chica? Sir, may fan ka din, sir?
Sir La Chica.
75-68 na ang
Pass
score.
to Villa Florida to Peroso.
Nice pass and there's a foul.
Foul. Number 8. His second personal foul.
Pedroso again on the free
6
throw
minutes and
line.
55. First free throw for Peroso.
Basket. 76-68 na.
Second free throw.
77-68. Siyam na ang abanse sa PNP Silay.
6 minutes and 15. Scarlett, number 8. Scarlett, tumira ng 3.
Bam! 3 points!
6 minutes and 40.
71-77.
Back to Sir La Chica. Sir La Chica to Badyan. Shot clock 15. Villa Florida.
Ay! Ano ba yan? Ay! Ay! Ay!
9. Save more ball. 6 minutes and 25.
71-77.
It's a 6-point lead for PNP Silat.
Number 12,
Belenson.
Belenson.
Scarlett
Scarlett.
to Belenson. 3.
Bam! Basket again. 74-77.
6 minutes. It's out of bounds.
May lang nakapitan ko.
Time out. PNP Silat.
$74-77 ang score.
5 minutes and 58. Save mo Talisay. No more timeout. PNP Silat. May isa pa.
May isa pa mga time out, PNP
5
sila.
minutes and 58.
Why na ka mo time out? Why na ka mo time out? Wala.
Isa pa.
No more timeout for Save mo Talisay. 1 timeout for PNP Silat.
Thank you so much sa 50 stars. Thank you. Good. Ross, thank you. Good.
5 minutes and 55.
Thank you, Rosel, sa 50 stars. Thank you so much.
Scarlett for 3.
Ay! Basket!
Scarlett 3 points.
Wala 77.
There's a foul. Foul number 12. Belenson. Penalty. Penalty at PNP Silat. May 4th team foul from Claymore. First throw. No good.
Wala 77.
Basket.
Siyam.
Scarlett.
78-77. Para sa PNP sila eh. Nice game.
Scarlett to number 5. Number 5. Tumira na 3.
Tres!
Wala. Rebound PNP. 5 minutes and 30. To number
Nice
16,
pass!
Russell.
Basket.
Yeah, basket. 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
80-77 for PNP sila eh. Kasadya.
5 minutes and 10. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8,
Belenson for
7.
3. Wala. Rebound for PNP sila eh.
Pero sa number 6, sidestep, foul. Number 5, blocking foul. Penalty.
77-80 ang score.
4 minutes and 55 remaining time.
First attempt. Wala.
No good.
Second attempt.
4 minutes and 55. Second attempt.
Wala
no
sa
good.
gihapon.
Rebound, number 5. Scarlett. 4 minutes and 50. Shot clock 15. Election. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Out of
Out of
bounds.
bounds. 4 minutes and 36. Four minutes and 30. They're also number 6. Shot clock 15.
Ay, kaka-tense ko ah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Rebound.
Rebound 20. Yeah.
Basket.
4 minutes and
77-82. Up!
There's a foul. Penalty.
Notify.
Substitution.
Shout out, Lichi! Shout out na sa team. Save more sila. Nice game, nice game. 77-82. First attempt
Got it.
basket for Belenchon.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 59 seconds.
78-82. Basket again.
Substitution.
79-82 ang score for PNP Silay. $79. Shot na lang, Tadiro
Steal
buwan
by
sa
Save
naon.
More. Scarlett. Number 8, Scarlett for 3. No
Hey!
good. Rebound. Save More. Roman. Roman. Trap. Belenchon for 3. No good. Rebound by PNP. 3 minutes and 32 seconds.
Sinupod mo shot. Ano, save more sila.
Shot clock 15.
Badjan for 3, short.
No good. Rebound by Badjan.
Oh.
And there's a foul. Foul. Sino foul?
Number 12.
Belenchon. His third personal foul.
Badjan on the free throw line.
3 minutes and 19 seconds. First attempt. No
Wala.
good.
Koisa.
Paisa.
Second attempt, basket. 79-83 for PNP Silay. 79-83.
3 minutes, 15.
Si partner kag press namon ka S155.
Roma, number
Shout
2.
out na.
To Abale.
Hey!
Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Rebound, PNP. Foul. Siyang foul. 2 minutes 56.
Lapit na lang, Sara.
Si foul. Abale, 19. His second personal foul.
Thank you so much sa 35 stars. Lichi, thank you.
Eroso, basket. Substitution, 2 minutes and 56.
Second attempt,
2 minutes and 56 seconds.
79-84. Second attempt, wala.
Rebound.
Rebound.
Outside. Save more ball. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Two minutes and 50.
Out of bounds.
2 minutes and 46. Two minutes and 40. Steal by Save More. Scarlett, pass to Roma. No good. Rebound PNP.
Hindi putar ka?
PNP Silay ball. 2 minutes and 26. Layup,
There's a
foul,
foul.
foul. Foul Abade, his third personal foul.
79-84 ang score.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 21.
79-84.
White on the free throw line. First attempt.
Basket.
Second attempt. Basket.
79-86
2 minutes and 21.
para sa PNP Silay.
2 minutes and 15. Shot clock 15. Kairan. Foul.
Hindi po. Nalobot ang ring.
Foul number 23, Wyckoff. His second personal foul. Penalty. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. First attempt from Bacaniran, no good. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. 2 minutes.
Thank you, good. Rebound for PNP Silay. Waiko
Villa Florida.
to Waiko.
Waiko.
Kasala ko sila nga dulo.
Yeah, wala.
Why?
Rebound. Rebound. PNP. Shot clock. 14. 1 minute and 47. 10. 9. 8.
Shout out ko,
7,
idol. Shout
6,
out.
5. 4.
Oh. Shout out Nestor Navarra Diaz. Good evening. Thank you for watching.
Iran is second personal foul.
79-86 the score, Villa, Florida.
Remaining time 1 minute and 39 seconds.
On the free throw line. 79-86 pito ang abanse. First attempt, basket.
Basket.
79-87.
Second attempt.
Basket again. 79-88 ang score. 1 minute and 35 remaining on our fourth quarter. 7 Roma for 3. Tiko.
Good. PNP. 1 minute and 26.
Kalma.
1 minute and 20.
Oy!
Shot clock 12. 3 points.
Bajan for 3.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
91-79
There's
na.
the foul.
Cute.
1 minute and 2 seconds.
1-2. 79-91. Scarlett on the free throw line. I don't know. Basket.
Basket. First attempt.
Cute lang bala. Pero saan namin siya magampa? Kadasik sa akong ma-attach.
Second attempt. No. Rebound. PNP sila.
Pa-shout
1 minute.
out, idol. Pikachu. Thank you. Sino na yun? Dali lang, hindi ko mabasa.
Steal. Oh.
John Mark
8
RM
seconds
Merida. Shout out.
violation.
8 seconds violation.
52 seconds.
1891
50.
for 3.
For 3. Time up.
44.
PNP sila.
44
44
seconds
seconds.
remaining.
44
44.
seconds. Both teams, wala na time out.
Ano ka na nila? Mundo.
44
Pareho
seconds.
pulis. Kinaya ko. Hindi ko sure kay Pedroso. Basta intern. Ay, ano tawag mo? Intern. 83-91 for PNP sila. Siyam lang sila ka-players.
14 shot clock.
14 shot clock.
14 shot
44
clock.
seconds. Eighty
44 seconds.
83-91.
Intense.
Intense game.
In the Florida foul.
Up.
Foul number 19, Abale. His fourth personal foul. 41 seconds.
Basket.
41 seconds.
83-92 a score. Basket again.
40.
Ay, di po. Gagulbaan po ko.
3.
Bam!
No good
Wala.
rebound. 32.
Benediction, wala
Rebound
rebound
PNP.
for PNP.
28. 25. 20. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Election.
Lo! Bam! Wala pa. Roma
Counted.
Baskets.
14 seconds.
85-93, 14 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations, PNP Silay. Final score 85-93.
85-93.
Congratulations. Our best player is number 6.
Good job for Seymour Talisa.
Sino number 6?
Best player of the game, number 6.
Thank you so much everyone for watching. Kagnasa sa Kanagsen Stars. Thank you good. Congrats PNP Silay. Salamat.
Peroso, best player of the game.